ingredients for the cake: 1 and 1/2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1/4 cup vegetable oil, 1 cup milk, room temperature, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, a pinch of salt for the frosting, optional, 1 cup whipped cream, assorted sprinkles, fruits, or chocolate shavings for decoration. Instructions: preheat a pressure cooker without the whistle on medium heat for 10 minutes. In a mixing bowl, combine the all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Mix well to ensure even distribution of the dry ingredients. Add vegetable oil, milk, vinegar, and vanilla extract to the dry ingredients. Mix everything together until you have a smooth and lump-free batter. Be careful not to overmix. Grease a round cake pan with oil or butter and dust it lightly with flour. Alternatively, you can line the pan with parchment paper for easy removal of the cake. Pour the cake batter into the prepared pan and tap it gently to remove any air bubbles. Place a trivet or a small stand at the bottom of the preheated pressure cooker. Carefully place the cake pan on the trivet. Cover the pressure cooker with its lid but without the whistle. Cook the cake on low heat for about 40–45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Keep an eye on the cake as cooking time may vary depending on the size and heat intensity of the pressure cooker. Once the cake is cooked, carefully remove it from the pressure cooker and let it cool completely on a wire rack. If desired, prepare the frosting by whipping the cream until stiff peaks form. Once the cake has cooled, spread the whipped cream frosting evenly on top and sides of the cake. Decorate with assorted sprinkles, fruits, or chocolate shavings, as desired. Slice and serve the delicious and eggless birthday cake to celebrate your special occasion.